Hi, today in front of me Infinix Zero Ultra, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first, let's open notification panel shortcuts, and just here you will see somewhere the ring icon. Just now we can see that we have activated the ringtone mode. Just to turn on silent mode, we should click twice on this icon, and this icon just switch to the mode. So this means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, just click once again on the mute icon and it's switched here to the ring. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just press up or down one button, then you'll see here the bell icon. Click twice on the bell icon. Now our calls, notifications, they will be muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. Just to turn it off, click once again on the silent mode icon and let's switch to the regular bell. So that means that the silent mode successfully turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.